you're speaking at Sam.
Oh, Sam, my computer running really slow, and my apps won't load correctly.
Okay. All right. Okay, I can help you with the computer also, and we are also running a consultancy business. Are you looking for a job?
No, I have a job, Sam. Thank you, though.
What is a job? Calling the technical support phone numbers and messing around with their time.
Are you hiring because you don't make enough rupees for your Microsoft Word?
I don't think nobody pays for that kind of thing.
What kind of thing?
Your accent is totally fake, and you're trying to use a voice. You're modulating your voice.
What kind of thing don't people pay for?
Don't be afraid. I cannot find you who you are by if you talk normally. I'm not going to find who you
I'm
are.
not afraid of you. I just did it because I wanted to. I know you can't. I know you can't find me.
Well,
I can find.
Why don't you talk in a real voice? In your real voice? Why are you trying to modulate your voice?
I'm talking in my real voice right now, dumb fuck.
Okay, all right, that's wonderful. That looks like you're a 90-year-old virgin.
It looks like you can see my face and my shoot.
No, I have something kind of a special ability listening to someone's voice. I can tell you whether they're virgin or not, and also I can judge their real age.
I'm sorry, listening. Did you say listening to some? Oh, you can tell by listening to someone's voice how old they are and whether or not they've ever had sex.
And also,
that's what you do because your job is so boring. You don't make very much money. And no women over there will have sex with you because they all have to be married first, which is wonderful.
We are only professional with our customers, not a people like you, not a judgmental people. I told you before, if you want to test us, ask me any question about computers.
Oh, it is the same guy. I'm not going to ask you anything about computers. I know more. You know what? Here.
I'll ask you any questions. Ask me about the computer. If you're not going to do that, so please stop calling us.
I'm not going to stop calling you. I'm not going to stop calling you. Hello? Hello?
Hi, this is Microsoft Security and Support Team. We have noticed that your firewall security has been crashed a week ago and your computer is spreading viruses and infections to different computers online. If it won't stop, then your computer becomes obsolete and can be shut down permanently.
Oh, shit.
In order to fix this problem, call us immediately on 8557-000-358. I repeat, it's 8557-000-358. Thank you.
Wait, they're missing a digit. 705. What was that? Here we go. Y'all, let's go. Move on. See? They said they've noticed a week ago there are several viruses and firewall. Hey, Trevor, I just, like 2 or 3 minutes ago, I was on another call, received a voicemail from this number saying that y'all have discovered that my firewall crashed like a week ago. And there's problems with my computer. And said to call you back right away.
Yes, and the reason for that is that we had this computer, if you remember, and installed some security. So the messages come to our server because we connected your computer to our servers when we installed the security. So we're calling you for you so that you can run a checkup call for a checkup for your computer. And you tell us on our site so we can clear it.
I see.
Okay, Mom. Can you go ahead and check for me the status of your computer so I can clear it from this side?
Well, if my firewall crashed a week ago, how is it that I'm still able to use my computer is what I would like to know. Because your firewall is a critical thing. that you really need. It's, to be able to access your computer. So if it crashed a year ago, or I mean, not a year, I'm sorry, a week ago, how is it that I'm still able to use it? I'm just curious because,
Well, Mom, the firewall is not the one that's running your computer. The firewall protects your computer from hackers, and it's the security that means no. The firewall just protects you from the hackers. If it is down, that means some hackers are trying to attempting to get in.
I don't know what it is about all this wall. Now I got a firewall problem. Trump wants to build a wall. There's a long-lasting fire in California. Fire and walls. There's a lot going on with fires and walls, aren't there?
I understand there's much going on with fire and walls. But
I'm glad you find it funny. It's a serious issue, though, actually. It's not funny. I'm sorry. What's your name, sir?
My name is Trevor, Mom.
Oh, yeah, you told me at the beginning. Trevor. And what's your... And you work for whom? What's the name of your company, Trevor?
Mom, I work for PC Tech Care, Mom.
PC Tech what?
Tech Care.
Tech Cam?
Tech Care, Mom. Care.
Spell the word you're saying.
C-A-R-B.
C-A-R-B. Is that what you said?
E.
Oh.
E as in England.
Care.
E as in
PC Tech Care.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you a third party of another company?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
Microsoft.
Oh,
Microsoft Windows.
of course. Because, you'd have to be. Because I don't know. I never heard of your company. Okay, so tell me more, Trevor.
So, Mama, are you going to go ahead and read for me the status of your computer? I can get it.
Am I going to go ahead and do... Excuse me, Trevor, please.
Read for me the status of your computer.
Oh, Trevor, step back, hold on, chill out, step down, okay? Bring it down a couple notches, because what you said just now was a lot, okay? You said like 3 things, then you asked me to do something, then you said something else, then you asked me to do something else. So I would like you to start all over again, because, woo! It's been a long day.
I understand, Mom. Actually, what I just needed from you, Mom, is to go ahead and read for me the status of your computer.
What do you mean the status? What? What do you mean the status?
You can check it yourself.
I actually have 2 computers open right now. I have my desktop open and my laptop. And
Yes, Mom, I'm talking about your laptop.
and I'm on my iPhone, so lots of technology happening. What do you mean the status? You want to know my Facebook status? The last thing I tweeted?
No, Mom.
The last video I put on YouTube? Because this is next.
No, Mom. It actually ranges into the same way, but the status of your computer is actually just the health of your computer.
The health.
Like checking the health of your computer.
Okay.
So now we've been getting messages that indicate that the firewall has crashed.
No, I haven't gotten any indications that the firewall has crashed. Now, as far as checking the health, as you say, Trevor, on your computer, that's a new one to me. You know when you play a video game and there's a bar for your health before you die? When you're on a computer game and you got a certain amount of time to perform a task, and there's a bar on the computer, and it's called your health bar. That's the only health bar I've ever heard of. I mean, you go to a gym and health bar, and you can drink eat healthy bars and drink smoothies and stuff. But as far as a health bar to your computer, I've never heard of that. So maybe you can enlighten me, because this is a new thing. Because I guess I'm not as tech savvy as I thought I was. So if you could please tell me what a health bar is in connection to a computer, I would love to hear what that is. Go ahead.
All right. Let me tell you what it is, Mom.
Yes, please.
It is actually the firewall, like I said before, protected your computer from hackers. This all happens at the back end of your computer. If the hacker is trying to get into your computer and read your information and get all the information that you do on your computer, he's not going to let you know about it. they actually just come and hack into the firewall.
Did you just say they're not going to let me know about it?
Yes.
Well.
Yes, that's why you're not. You say you're not getting any.
Well, wouldn't it be lovely? Wouldn't it be lovely if the hackers let you know that they were trying to hack your computer, so you could protect yourself and make sure your firewall is up to date and working right, and your health bar is full per se? Wouldn't that be nice, Trevor?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Well,
I'm trying to explain to you how the firewall and why I need the status check of your computer.
oh, okay, Trevor.
If the
You
firewall
go.
is down, it's only down because someone put it down. They wanted to get access to your computer. So, Mom, if you can go across to your computer, I'll show you the status to check.
I just told you I'm in front of two computers and I got an iPhone on. So where are we going?
Sorry?
I'm in front of the computer. What's happening? What would you like me to?
Alright, if you can focus on your keyboard, I need you to look at the left bottom side of the keyboard. You're going to see.
Am I going to check the status?
Yes, Mom. I'm going to guide you through a few simple commands, and you're going to be checking the status of the computer.
You're going to guide me through simple commands. So you're going to command me to do things? Like, I command you to do this. So are you a drill sergeant?
No, it's actually the sets of instructions that you're going to be typing into, because what I'm trying to do, if you hit the Windows key and R at the same time, it is going to bring up a command box where you're supposed to type something. So they're kind of called commands. But that's just a technical word. It's not just, it doesn't mean what you think it is. They are all commands. You hit it and you command the computer. When you put it in, it commands the computer to bring
Trevor says a lot of shit.
So what I'm trying to do is trying to take you to this next start that you're going to be checking for the internet status of your computer. Okay?
Well, I'm not really fully don't understand, but I'm listening to you, Trevor.
Alright, Mama. Yeah, we hit the Windows and R key at the same time. You can go ahead and hold down the Windows key and R at the same time, and see what I'm talking about.
I'm sorry, you want me to do what?
To hold down the Windows key. Did you locate the Windows key, Mom, on your keyboard?
You want me to go to my window and hold down the key?
No, Mom. You said you're in front of your computer, right?
Yes, I am, Trevor.
Yes, and I told you to focus on your keyboard, the keyboard of your computer. Okay?
Oh, the keyboard on my computer. But you said something about the Windows and the key.
Yes, and if you focus on the keyboard of your computer, on the left bottom side, you're going to see a four-flag key. It is called the Windows key.
I'm going to see a four frigate key.
A four flag, yeah,
A four flood?
Key. It has four flags on it.
It has four floods on it? Is it well, if your key gets wet, it gets flooded, then it won't work anymore. You don't want any water damage on your keys. Yeah, you said to get the four floods. It should get flooded. Yeah, I don't.
No, I said the four flag key. It has four flags on top of it. You see it on the left bottom side corner of your keyboard. It is probably
well, the only place that I could see four floods if I go to Google and Google floods. I'm sure they'll show me all kinds of flooding that has happened. You know, like when Hurricane Katrina took place. That was awful.
That's not what I meant.
There's been one since then.
Yes, Mom, that's actually not what I meant, Mom. If you can go on and locate that button and go on and hit it. Can you locate it?
Heat it.
You want me to heat? You want me to look at the button and heat it?
Did you locate the button?
If I heat it, it'll get hot, then it'll work. Then I'll need some water to flood it. But either way, it'll be damaged, Trevor. So I'm confused.
Mom, just tell me whenever you locate the button.
buttons. Trevor,
Yes, ma'am.
the only buttons I see are the buttons on my shirt.
Let's look on your keyboard. What do you call the keys on the keyboard?
Keys. Keys on a keyboard, keys on the piano,
Yes, ma'am.
keys on an organ. You know, keys on the keyboard like your keyboard instrument. Keys on a keychain. Keys for a car. Keys for your house. Keys for your safe. Keys to lock. Which keys do I need?
Mm-hmm.
Which keys am I looking for, Trevor? I just want to understand, sir.
The keys on your keyboard, ma'am.
The keys on my keyboard for the computer. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What about them?
For the Windows key, do you see the Windows key on your keyboard?
The Windows key. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I know that. The Windows key. Sure. Yeah, I see that.
Yes, I need you to go ahead and hold it down plus letter R at the same time.
Simultaneously or together?
Yes,
Yes, what?
together at the same time.
Okay. The Windows key and the letter R. It says type here to run in a program and a folder document. I'll open it for you.
Sorry?
It says type here.
Sorry?
It says type here
Okay.
to run a program.
All right, Mama. And I need you to make sure that that space bar of open is empty, and I'm going to be reading you a few words to type in. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Mom. I need you to type C as in Charlie.
Yeah. See? I'm calling back. I mean, you know, if he's going to hang up, he should have hung up 5 minutes ago. We'll see.
Thank you for calling support. This is Chris. How may I help you?
Chris, I need to speak with Trevor, please.
Yes?
I need to speak to Trevor, please.
Okay, then. Give me a second.
Thank you. Otherwise, we'll talk to Chris. You know, sometimes you know how much you can mess with them. It seemed like after all that time I messed with them, and then we were getting down to pressing the Windows key and to proceed with, you know, him trying to do the sys key thing. Then he hangs up. Kind of weird, unless somebody was listening. Hi, Trevor. Yes.
Yes, Mom. This is Trevor.
Yes, Trevor. I'm calling you back.
Computer still on?
Yes, it is.
Yes, is your computer still on? Thank you for calling me back.
Yes, you're welcome. The Windows key and the letter R, and you said to back up and type in C, and then what?
Yes. C as in Charlie.
Mm-hmm.
M as in Mary.
CM.
D as in Derek.
CMD.
Alright. Now go ahead and hit enter.
Command prompt.
See the enter key on your keyboard?
Command prompt.
Yes. Alright. Alright, now this is where we're going to be checking the status. Do you see where the blinking cursor that is going to be?
I'm sorry, Trevor. I need you to talk louder. I'm having a hard time hearing you.
Alright, now. Alright, Mom. I'm trying to say that we're going to be checking for the status right here. I need you to go ahead and text for me Nancy. N as in for Nancy. N as in Nancy. Can you hear me? Hello, Mom. Can you hear me?
Yeah, and for Nancy, I got you like 3 times. And N.
E as in for Echo.
Okay. And ND.
T as in tango.
And NDT.
No, it's N-E-T.
Oh, net.
T-A-T. It's supposed to be reading out Nate.
Okay. Now what?
Alright. Now go ahead and hit enter.
Am I going to have a support key?
Sorry?
What's going to happen next?
No, Mom, actually, you tell me what you see right
Well,
now.
the computer is running really slow. What am I supposed to see? Could you just tell me, please, so I know that I got the right thing when it happens?
Mom, I need you to type Netstat. Have you finished typing Netstat, right?
I did
Go
type
check
that.
for the status of your computer.
I typed
Like
it.
I told you, I'm going to be checking for the status of your computer.
And then what now? You want me to download something?
No, Mom, I don't need you to download anything, Mom. We're just checking for the status.
Okay, well, go then. Okay, tell me how you're going to check.
You're going to see some active connections down below it. Do you see anything like active connections below? Where are you putting Netstat?
It says they're foreign. Trevor?
Sorry? Can you read for me what you see?
It says it's foreign.
It says foreign what?
A porn IP. A foreign. It says it's a foreign IP address.
Alright, it just says foreign, and below that, what do you see?
Status connected.
It says status connected.
Yes.
Alright, I don't think, I think that's what I was still talking to you about. I was telling you about the status of your computer. So right there is where you can check for the status of your computer, and according to my conclusion, I think your computer is working fine now. Because if you're seeing that the data is connected, then I think it's all.
It's not working
That's what
fine,
I've been calling you.
Trevor.
What?
It's not
Is it
working
not
fine.
fine?
No, it isn't.
It is not?
No, it's running really slow. My apps won't load correctly.
Alright, I'll have to first connect your computer to our main server, and I see if we can help you with that with your computer file, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, then go ahead and close that window. Can you go ahead and close that? That's the problem.
Okay.
Alright, and bring me the run box again, the Windows R. Do you see that?
You want me to click Windows and the letter R again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now where are we going?
Yeah, now I need you to go ahead and type www.
www. Trevor? You can move it along a little faster.
.fastsupport.com.
Okay, you gonna give me a support key or you gonna try to syskey my shit by putting me the command prompt and showing me all my programs and stop running and all my securities by putting on your fake crap? Is that what's gonna happen? That is what's gonna happen, right?
No, that's not what is going to happen.
Alright, tell me what's gonna happen.
No, actually, like I said,
I'm
like
sorry?
I told you before, I'm going to connect your computer to our main server.
You're gonna connect my computer to your main server and then you're gonna gain remote access to it.
No, we're going to connect your computer to the main server, and we see.
Well, and the main server, who's the main server, Trevor?
We're going to connect it to our main server.
Yeah, your main server. Your main server from your end. So you have total control over my computer from my end.
So that you can diagnose the computer.
So that you can sys key it. So it
Sorry?
doesn't, so that you can sys key it so it doesn't work. And then take over like an hour and a half of my time and show me all these programs that have stopped running all these securities is what you're going to do. Trevor, don't you understand? Don't you understand that I understand how your command prompt works?
Well, if you do understand, then you understand what I told you before, because we wouldn't even be here right now.
Would I?
When you check your
Well,
status,
you know what?
you read me your status. When you read me your status, you say the status was okay. I declared it okay.
Trevor.
And then now you're telling me your
Trevor.
computer is running slow.
Trevor, listen to me, Trevor. Trevor, stop talking. Trevor, you talk a lot.
Alrighty.
Trevor, hello? Trevor?
Yes, I'm here.
You're a scammer. Trevor. Hold on. I have another call. Hold on. I'll be right back, okay? If you want me to explain to you what I'm saying. Hold on, please.
Alright.
Hello? Trevor?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. How long have you been working for this company?
How long have I been working for this company?
Yes.
Microsoft?
Well, whatever you want to call it. Where you're at now, how long have you been working?
4 years.
4 years.
4 years.
4 years. And you're gonna tell you've been working there for 4 years, and you're gonna tell me that it's not a scam.
Yes, ma'am, it's not a scam.
All right, Trevor. You know, look, you can't fool me. Okay, so you're only fooling yourself. You know, you're.
And I didn't try to, Mom.
No, you know what? Like, you would have, okay? I told you what was going to happen. If I would have allowed you, like you said, from your end, to gain access to my computer, okay, you know what, Trevor? Yes, okay, now
Mom,
get
you didn't tell me what was going to happen.
Well, you know what? There's nothing wrong with my computer, Trevor. Trevor,
I already told you.
Trevor, there's
I
nothing
already
wrong.
told
There's
you.
nothing
I told you
wrong.
that I already got what I wanted. There's nothing wrong with your computer. Your computer is okay.
That's right.
You're the one who told me.
Oh, so maybe you decided you didn't want to scam me. Well, isn't that nice of you?
Yes, because I told you your computer is fine, and you said it's not okay. I said, all right then.
Well, I lied. I lied to you because I decided I wanted to waste more of your time.
Okay, you wanted to lie?
I did lie.
So you're trying to blame it on me too?
Well, you know, it doesn't matter. You know, either way you look at it, you're still a scammer. You know, I'm a liar, you're a liar. You're still a scammer. That's the bottom line.
Yeah, but you are above my grade to scam. I couldn't scam you. So
I'm sorry?
I'm a scammer. You can't say I tried to scam you.
Well, you did try to.
Well, I didn't.
No, because I didn't. No, you didn't because I did not allow you to. Well, like I said, well, you did say that there was nothing wrong with my computer, so I don't know why you decided. I don't know why you went there and decided, you know, well, then I guess, you know, maybe I should say thank you because for whatever reason it was, you decided you did not want to scam. You did not want to scam me. I'm sorry?
Indeed, you should have said thank you, and we ended the call immediately after I checked your status.
Well, that didn't happen. That didn't happen, though, and here we are. That didn't happen, and here we are now. So that's in the past, and this is now. So, you know, yes, thank you for not scamming me. But shame on you. Thank you for not scamming me, but shame on you for scamming others. For 4 years.
Well, I haven't scammed anyone.
For 4 years. For 4 years. For 4 years.
I've been working with customers that I can call right now and to use that their services we've been providing them 100%.
No, Trevor. No. No. It's not a real job. It's fake tech support.
It is not.
Yes, it is. And I don't know why you don't know that, or you're trying to make me believe it, but there's nothing you can say or do to convince me otherwise. Because I've been calling these numbers for a long time, Trevor, messing with y'all, wasting your time.
So it's fake?
It is.
So it's fake? There is no one that is actually legit out there that is working on computers online? You've never heard of that? It's new to you?
Well, I don't know if there are or not, because I've never had any problems with my computer.
Well, but you must have heard of people being received with their getting their.
You know what? There's a lot of scammers that I call and I waste their time.
Yes, there is a lot of
That's
scammers
what I
that
know.
believe that, but I'm
And
not
and
one
you're
of them.
one too. Yes,
But
you
I'm not
are.
one of them.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
So how do you
Be-
prove that?
I was just gonna say. Let me explain how I know. Because your tactic and the way you deal with things is exactly how all the other scammers do. You know, go to.
Of course, if the scammer is trying to, is going to try to be real.
I'm sorry. What?
You're not going to. If the scammer, of course, is trying to scam you, of course, is going to try to get the realest way.
Okay, Trevor. You know what? This conversation's going nowhere.
The scammers are going to try to the way we handle our jobs and try to.
You know, Trevor. I'm finished talking to you. Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done too.
Yeah, you
I'm
are.
also done talking to you.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.